Well, this is odd. I have a Pro Tools app running. I have menus across the top, but I have no session data. How can I have a session open if I don't see anything? When this happens, you can either go to the Window menu and choose one of the main windows in Pro Tools, or you can just click Command equals, that's Control equals on a PC, and your windows will come back the way you're used to seeing them. Well, so far when we've created a session, you've seen the New Session dialog box or the Quick Start menu, and you watched as we chose file types and sample rates, but this time I made this without you seeing that process. So how would you get that information about a session that you didn't create? Let's go to Setup and Session. This command and the 2 with a circle around it means that it's command and the 2 on your keypad, not the 2 above the letter Q, but the 2 on your keypad on the right. Or you can just choose it from the menu. So let me move this to where we can sort of get a better look at it. And sample rate is fixed. You can't change that in the middle of the game. If you did, Pro Tools would play the audio files back at the wrong speed. So we don't want to change your sample rate. But you can change the bit depth and other parameters here, the audio format, and you can decide whether you want to do interleave from this moment on. You can also decide to sync to an external device at some point, or change your timecode rate if you're working with video. If you're using Pro Tools hardware, this is where you would do offsets for your sync, which is the hardware device that allows Pro Tools to sync up to external video machines. So these are session setup parameters that you can, in some cases can't, change in the middle of a session. I'm not going to change anything here. It's just that I hadn't shown you this session setup page yet, and I wanted to be sure that you saw that. And again, the hotkey for opening this document, this window, is Command and 2, the 2 on your keypad. All right, so in this chapter, we learned how Pro Tools organizes files and how we can stay organized as we work. And in the next chapter, we'll put all that to use as we record and edit a voice track.